Have you ever wondered why the same brand produces some models hailed as icons of safety, while others are seen as costly nightmares? Volvo, a name synonymous with durability and safety, isn't immune to this. Some of its wagons, SUVs, or sedans have become legends, running hundreds of thousands of miles with stability. But there are also models that terrify owners with failing transmissions, faulty electronics, or astronomically expensive convertible tops. So, what's the truth? In this video, we'll explore the 3 worst Volvo models to avoid and the 4 worth owning, helping you understand which are smart investments and which are costly traps. Comment number 1 if you find the video great. Otherwise, comment number 2. Thank you. The 3 worst Volvo models, 3 worst. Main 1. Volvo XC90 First Generation, 2003 to 2005. If you've ever dreamed of a luxurious Swedish SUV that's spacious, safe, and capable of taking your whole family anywhere, the Volvo XC90 likely caught your attention. Launched in 2003, the first generation came with high expectations: 3 rows of seats, all-wheel drive, and refined Scandinavian style. It sounds like the perfect family vehicle, doesn't it? But behind its luxurious exterior lies a series of headaches that have left many owners sighing. The critical weakness is the automatic transmission. Many XC90s from 2003 to 2005 experienced transmission failure after less than 100,000 miles. And do you know the cost of replacement? Over $4,000, a figure that makes used car buyers flinch. On top of that, the AWD system, marketed as a reliable companion in all conditions, frequently malfunctions, turning long road trips into tests of patience. That's not all. The seemingly premium interior hides significant annoyances: inconsistent air conditioning, infotainment screens that freeze, and frequent minor electrical errors. If you think, it's a cheap used car, I'll just fix it over time, be cautious. The cumulative repair costs can far exceed the car's actual value. Many owners admit that without a comprehensive maintenance record or a fully replaced drivetrain, the early XC90 is a gamble. It's a shame that a model once expected to usher in an era of safe, luxurious SUVs for Volvo has become a cautionary tale for those hunting for a bargain used car. Two. Volvo S40 Second Generation, 2004 to 2011. When Volvo launched the second-generation S40 from 2004 to 2011, many believed it would be the ace up their sleeve to compete directly with heavyweights like the BMW 3 Series or Audi A4. Its sleek, youthful design, minimalist yet refined Nordic interior, and Volvo's renowned safety reputation made the S40 an appealing choice on paper. But reality is far more complicated. The 2.4i and T5 engines aren't inherently bad. They can even be powerful if properly maintained. But that's the Achilles heel. The S40 demands meticulous upkeep. Skip just a few oil changes, and you'll quickly face issues like misfiring, uneven throttle response, or premature wear on critical components. For a car aimed at buyers seeking an easygoing luxury driving experience, the need for such precise maintenance is a major challenge. That's not all. The S40's electronic systems often leave owners exasperated. From power windows and door locks to the entertainment screen, anything can malfunction at any moment. The suspension, which should provide a confident driving feel, degrades quickly on rough city roads, resulting in a bumpy ride and costly repairs. 3. Volvo C70, 2006 to 2013. The second-generation Volvo C70, produced from 2006 to 2013, was marketed as a 3-in-1 car, an elegant coupe, a seductive convertible, and a luxurious Volvo all-in-one. It sounds enticing, especially if you want to enjoy open-air driving without sacrificing comfort or safety. But that dream comes with a host of frustrations, and the C70 has become a car that many enthusiasts ruefully admit. It's beautiful, but the troubles are plenty. The critical weakness of the C70 lies in its most distinctive feature, the hardtop convertible roof. The complex mechanism, with numerous motors, sensors, latches, and hydraulic systems, seems sophisticated. But in reality, it's far too fragile. When it operates smoothly, it's a spectacular performance. But if just one component fails, the entire system can shut down. And trust me, repair bills can easily soar past several $1,000s. Many owners, after multiple trips to the repair shop, have chosen to permanently lock the roof in place, turning the C70 into a fixed coupe just to avoid the headaches. Beyond the roof issue, the C70's body also lacks the structural rigidity of a traditional sedan. On rough roads, the car doesn't feel solid. Instead, it reveals noticeable vibrations, significantly diminishing the driving experience. The interior, though refined, is plagued by unreliable electronics. Power windows, power seats, and even the central control panel can suddenly go on strike. For a luxury car, not knowing what might break next is a truly unacceptable experience. The C70 does have its strengths: elegant design, a relaxed driving feel when everything works properly, and, of course, the allure of a Volvo convertible. But when it comes to long-term ownership, maintenance costs, and frequent minor issues, the C70 is like a beautiful but fleeting love song, sweet to hear but challenging to live with. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. The 4 best Volvo models. 4 best. 1. Volvo XC70, 2008 to 2016. In the world of cars, some vehicles don't need to show off to win trust. The Volvo XC70 from 2008 to 2016 is a prime example. At first glance, it doesn't make you gasp. A stretched wagon body, higher ground clearance than a sedan, and a simple Nordic style. But that simplicity creates a silent warrior, just luxurious enough for city streets and durable enough for long journeys. The XC70's strength lies in its balance. Under the hood, Volvo's 5- and 6-cylinder engines are renowned for durability if maintained on schedule. Many owners confirm this wagon can hit 200,000 miles while remaining stable. The all-wheel drive system, optional or standard on many trims, confidently handles thick snow, gravel roads, or sudden rain. It's not a rugged off-road SUV, but it's reliable and durable in its own unique way. The spacious cabin, comfortable seats, and ample cargo space make the XC70 a second home for many families. The minimalist yet refined design, sturdy materials, and lack of overly complex tech mean fewer minor issues. Drivers enjoy a clear view and easy controls, while passengers stay comfortable on long trips. Notably, the XC70's maintenance costs are reasonable compared to other European cars of its era. Its mechanics are durable, major issues are rare, and replacement parts are still easy to find. This is the key difference. It retains the Nordic luxury spirit while being wallet-friendly in the long run. 2. Volvo S60, 2015 to 2018. If the XC70 represents rugged practicality, the Volvo S60 from 2015 to 2018 is Volvo's answer for those seeking a sedan that's luxurious, modern, and reliable. This was a period when Volvo refined nearly every key aspect, from engines and design to safety technology. As a result, the S60 became a model that surprised many with its near-perfect balance of performance and comfort. The standout feature is the Drive E 2.0L engine. Equipped with a turbocharger, and in some versions, both a turbo and supercharger, the S60 delivers smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency. Unlike complex engines prone to minor issues, the Drive E is designed to be compact and efficient and has proven reliable over years of use. Owners often say the S60 isn't as aggressive as German cars, but it's enough to make you smile every time you hit the gas. Inside the cabin, the Nordic minimalist style shines through. High-quality materials, a clean layout, and body-hugging, comfortable seats make long drives a pleasure. This creates a luxurious, yet understated feel, refined without being ostentatious. Most importantly, it lets the driver focus on driving, rather than being overwhelmed by flashy screens or complex buttons. The S60's safety systems during this period are also a major plus. From blind spot monitoring and active lane keeping to automatic emergency braking, many features typically found only in high-end cars were made standard by Volvo. This not only gave it a competitive edge, but also reinforced Volvo's reputation as the world's safest car brand. The 2015 to 2018 S60 may not make a loud splash in the luxury car market, but for those who own it, they agree it's a sedan worth keeping for the long haul. It's just luxurious enough, just powerful enough, fuel efficient, and extremely reassuring in terms of safety. Few combinations are as well-rounded as this. 3. Volvo XC60, 2017 present, second generation. While the S60 offers the feel of a refined sedan, the second-generation XC60, launched in 2017, is clear proof of Volvo's modern transformation. It's not just a luxury SUV, it's a statement of Nordic style, elegant, safe, and refined in every detail. From the outside, the XC60 exudes the sophistication buyers expect: smooth yet confident lines, a signature grille, and the Thor's Hammer LED lights that have become a global design hallmark. Inside, you immediately sense the meticulous craftsmanship. The interior uses premium materials. Leather, wood, and metal blend harmoniously, creating a space that's both warm and modern. The vertically oriented touchscreen center display takes some getting used to, but once mastered, it feels intuitive and streamlined. The seats are famously comfortable, offering great support for long drives. The sound insulation makes passengers feel nearly isolated from the noisy world outside. In terms of performance, the XC60 offers turbocharged, supercharged, and plug-in hybrid engine options. Whichever you choose, they share smooth acceleration, confident handling, and exceptional stability, true to Volvo's style. It's not an SUV for showing off raw power. Instead, it's designed to make you feel secure and in control in any situation. The brightest highlight, of course, is its safety technology. From adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist to the pilot assist semi-autonomous driving system, the XC60 gives you the sense of an invisible co-driver always watching out to minimize risks. For those seeking a luxury family SUV that's beautiful, comfortable, and reliable for the long term without hassles, the XC60 is the most dependable choice in Volvo's modern lineup. 4. Volvo 240, 1975 to 1993. In the history of the automotive world, few cars are as iconic and enduring as the Volvo 240. Launched in 1975 and produced for nearly 2 decades, this sedan and wagon became a Nordic legend, synonymous with durability, safety, and reliability. It's not flashy and doesn't chase trends. The 240 was designed with a simple philosophy: a solid, easy-to-drive machine that's nearly indestructible. The key to the 240's reputation is its 4-cylinder B-Series engines, particularly the B21 and B230. These engines are renowned for their extraordinary endurance. With regular oil changes, they can run smoothly past 300,000 miles, a figure that many modern cars still struggle to match. The drivetrain, transmission, and mechanical components are built to last, with minimal minor issues. When repairs are needed, the simple design makes it easy for mechanics and car enthusiasts to work on. In terms of design, the Volvo 240 embodies Swedish practicality. Its boxy body, sturdy chassis, and large windows provide excellent visibility. The interior isn't fancy, but is logically laid out and easy to use. The safety systems of the time, like 3-point seatbelts and crash energy-absorbing structures, helped cement Volvo's image as the world's safest car brand. Today, more than 30 years after production ended, the 240 still roams streets worldwide. Replacement parts remain widely available, the Volvo enthusiast community thrives, and many 240s continue to serve as if they refuse to retire. That's its indescribable charm, a car that's not glamorous but delivers absolute reliability. With the Volvo 240, you don't just own a vehicle, you hold a piece of history, an enduring symbol of durability and safety. Volvo isn't one-dimensional. Alongside costly traps like the early XC90, S40, or C70 that degrade easily, the brand also boasts shining gems like the XC70, S60, XC60, and the legendary 240, durable and reliable. The lesson here is clear. Don't just focus on a low purchase price or eye-catching looks. Consider long-term ownership costs and reliability. Choose wisely, and you'll have a Volvo that's a safe, dependable companion for years, true to the spirit the brand has built. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If not, hit subscribe.